Hello everyone, welcome back again to the MHF channel. This time we have Tomica number 21 Honda Step WGN or Step Wagon. The color is beige and it's quite elegant now. And the details looks pretty much like the real car. The scale is 1/64 like Tomica in general. So it is 2010 version. And it was released in July 2010. Apparently, there was also a 2006 Honda Step WGN with the same number. Well, this is a 2006 version. Both are the same, they are MPV, but the 2006 version honestly looks more awesome because there's a sliding door that can be opened, while this one, there's only a rear door like a Tomica in general. But it's still cool though. I like this honestly, but it's gonna be much better if they keep the sliding door instead of the rear door because it's a bit boring to me. You might even consider getting the old version rather than the new one just because of the sliding door. But actually I have seen it and it's quite rare and also expensive. Well, it's up to you if you don't mind buying the old version at a very high price. So actually that's your choice and I'm sure you won't regret it. But for me, this is pretty cool, and later when my YouTube channel is developed and famous, surely I'll buy the 2006 version. Alright, that's enough for now. If you like our channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like and add your comment below. I'll see you again in the next video. Bye bye.